This is Mackenzie's first outing in her new Rainforest Bouncer. Lights up and has a waterfall. Has some fun friends she can play with. Hey girl, you having fun? Hey Kenzie, you having fun? Good times in the Rainforest Bouncer.